What is up? I'm Baxter at Carwash Country, and yes, I've got the straw hat on today because it's really hot outside. And if you're new to this channel, before we dive into this topic, we help beginners learn the basics of washing and detailing their cars from home without all the overwhelming terminology. You don't have to be a pro detailer. You don't have to be super interested in detailing. We just teach beginners how to see better results. And today I'm talking about how to safely wash your car in the heat. Here's the big thing you should know is never to apply soap to scalding hot paint. If your car's been sitting in the sun for a long period of time, soap will dry almost immediately. And once it does, you're left with all these water spots and streaks, and even what are called water stains if it really has a chance to bake into the clear coat. And also, spraying cold water on a scorching hot car can actually stress your clear coat. And over time, that type of shock can lead to cracks or peeling, especially if your car is not protected. Also recommend using some type of protectant against the sun's UV rays, whether that is a good quality wax or a ceramic coating. It just depends on your preferences. Ceramic coatings will last longer. They'll give you that protection that you need. The first thing you want to do is park in the shade and let your car cool down. If the paint is too hot to touch, it's too hot. Second, wash early in the day if you can. Mornings are cooler and you won't be fighting the sun. If you wait to wash in the evenings, especially in the South, you'll be fighting mosquitoes and bugs. So just get up early, wash early, you'll be good to go. The third tip is rinse quickly. When it's hot, soap dries really fast. I usually keep a hose in one hand and a wash mitt in the other when it's hot and rinse section by section almost immediately after washing. Just a personal preference, I prefer the thumb control sprayer attachments. Completely up to you, but I find it helpful when I'm washing and I'm trying to wash panel by panel very quickly. And then finally, skip the interior if it's really hot on the inside. Let that cool down first before you even think about vacuuming or wiping anything down. If you do park in a garage, start with the interior if your car is already cool, and then you can back it out in the driveway to complete your maintenance wash. If you do have a rather large garage, if you want to wash your vehicle in the garage, there are a few considerations. I'll leave a link to a blog post that we wrote on this topic. All in all, washing your car in the summer, totally doable. You just need to adjust your process, grab some shade, throw on a hat like this, and take your time. You don't have to do everything all in one session. If you want to learn all the basics and get better results without the stress, check out our beginner video course at carwashcountry.com/course. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.